So, we have said that we can use the present continuous for future, but it's very important to remember that we need some indication of the idea of future, right? Now, in this case, we have to pay attention to some future expressions. Yes, because we said that we can use the present simple to talk about future plans for future with time expressions. So we have to see which time expressions, right? And so in this part, yes, we have a certain number of time expressions, and it says complete the table with the words below. One word stands alone. O sea, que hay uno que va solo, que no se complementa con nada. Okay, so I assume you took your time to write it. If not, pause the video now. Yes, and we say that we are, sorry, next. Magically completed the answers. Yes, so we have on Monday, Tuesday, on Saturday, on Friday, o sea, siempre que sea en futuro. Next Wednesday, next week, next month, next year, in February or in the spring, in 2021 already, porque 2020 ya no es futuro, at 4 p.m., at Christmas or at Easter, and tonight sería el que stands alone, que es el que queda solito. Now look at exercise 3, and this is your last thing. You have to reorder the words to make sentences and match the sentences to the photos.